Hi, welcome. My name is Auras4Life, and this is GamersLoungeProductions. I'm also the one who does Virgil. You bastards! Well, we are here today to make an unboxing video of Naruto Shipudden, also Ninja Storm 4 Collector's Edition. As I'm European, there came different varieties of the box, but this one is exclusive to Europe. So I'm gonna unbox it here, since I'm Swedish. Even though, well, yeah. Here we have the box itself and a little bit of the back. It's nice. We're gonna have some figure, we're gonna have an art book and shit like that. I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this game a long time. So let's dig this fucker in! You frickin' twats! Alright, so let's see here. Well, the plastic is really easy to take off. I have noticed, I've taken note of that myself. This plastic was super easy. I'm actually happy for that. Some of the boxes that I've been doing an unboxing have really hard plastic. It's a huge thing here in Sweden. Let's see. Now let's see how to open this. Alright, it took some little time, so I had to cut that. Alright, let's see. We're opening it from the upside. And, get the fuck! Alright. Jesus! Alright. Some little stuff here. Oh, some paperwork. That's the figure! I'm really excited for that one. We're gonna unbox all of it that's in this package. Here we have the steel book. Looks and feels real good. I like it. Now, of course, we have the official game itself here for PlayStation 4, which is nice. Here we have a little poster. Well, it's a sort of steel book poster. I like it. And here we have something more. Hold on, let's see now. Alright, there we go. The art book. Looks real smooth and good. Yeah. Yeah, I like this. This is some good stuff that I like. Oh, it shows all... Look, for example, here it shows Storm 2. So it's going to show all the previous games and so forth. Now that's cool. Oh, I like this picture, actually. It looks really good. This one is actually pretty good, too. Now, people probably knows how she is. But for you Sakura lovers, she's okay. Storm Generations. Yeah. I like this. So yeah, well that could go on. Now let's see here. Now let's take this figure. Let's see that. I have been... Yeah, so there's tons of pictures. Thank you, Dante, you're shit! Let's see now. Probably gonna need a little knife here to, yes. And then we're gonna... Fucking cutting. Jesus. Here we got this in. Oh. Hello! Best present!
Box mode. Look at the camera.
Yeah! Alright. Now, let's see. Open all this. I love this paper. Here we go. The figure. Now that's a good looking figure. I actually like it. And here's, I think it's a stand for this figure because it has those two pigs. So it's probably going to stand now. Yeah, it is. Now that looks good. I like it. Yeah, so that looks real good. I might actually put the figure here where I have all my katanas. And here is the game. Storm 4. Thank you guys for watching. And we'll be uploading soon more Devil May Cry after the games. I'm your host for the moment, Auras4Life. And I'll see you all later. See ya!
Note, we forgot to mention that you get a poster like this if you buy the game. I don't know if it's only for collector's edition, but I'm sure it's probably on the other games too. You get the poster like this. There's nothing back here. So, it's just a poster. We forgot to mention that, and peace out.